Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a crankshaft position sensor on a Hyundai Elantra. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool. You'll need to locate the sensor, which is typically on the engine block near the transmission. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work for safety. To access the sensor, you'll likely need to raise the front of your vehicle and secure it with jack stands. Then, remove the front passenger wheel. This provides much better clearance. Next, carefully remove the plastic splash shield that protects the engine bay. This will expose the area where the crankshaft position sensor is located. Now, with clear access, locate the electrical connector attached to the sensor and carefully disconnect it. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wiring. Next, use your ratchet with a 10mm socket and extension to remove the single retaining bolt holding the sensor in place. Once the bolt is out, gently pull the old sensor straight out of its mounting bore. Take your new crankshaft position sensor and carefully insert it into the bore, making sure it seats correctly. Reinstall the retaining bolt and tighten it snugly, but do not over-tighten. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new sensor. Finally, reattach the negative battery terminal, lower your vehicle, and start the engine to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.